itu video sabi de itu amado pisi buri hoy na ase aro pedabli bi na pare aro tai baptism nobly time bi hoise pisi buri hoy jese holi bi taila sati khanbra taila bacha khanbra tai ke kapra de haligina uthaigina baptism lobel logina aha iguti ekbar sai lobo.
You're never too old to be baptized. At the nursing home, this lady asked to be baptized and she wasn't able to get into the water on her own. So these people literally carried her into the water. And this reminds me of the story in the Bible where there was a paralyzed man who was carried by his friends and they couldn't get to Jesus because of the crowd. So they got on top of the roof and they lowered the man into the house to the feet of Jesus. We all need friends like this that will carry us to the cross. If you like daily Christian content, be sure to follow now.
Itu to moi ekta example nimida halise hoy amahan inaka last situation to face no kurbo pare no hobo pare inaka perabon na pare na na thakibo pare holibe moi itu ekta example nimida halise amahan bi sadi amahan na friend amahan na pachakhan amahan ge aro moi ke apni ke isola rasta de loi jabo last sadi kan thakibo lage isola rasta de berabo kobo last sadi kan ode amahan friendship pone tharibo lage kile amahan ki de weak hobo tahan amahan ge strong grow amahan ki de weak hobo amahan ge isola rasta de loi jabo kone itu video moi ekta example nimida halise itu amahan bi amahan sati khan ge actually ge isola rasta de berabo koina isola rasta de loi jabo la manu gane horina thakibo de guna moi ekta example nimida video to hali ase.